Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off red receipts in iMessages. If you want to turn off the red receipts in iMessage so that your contacts won't see when you've read their messages, then first of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. And once you open up the Settings app, scroll all the way down and tap on Messages. If you don't see Messages, tap on Apps and look for Messages on the next page and tap on it. And from the Messages tab, scroll all the way down and look for Send Red Receipts. Toggle the switch off right next to Send Red Receipts so that it is gray, not green. And when you read the messages in iMessage, the sender won't see that you've read them. So that's how you know you can turn off red receipts in iMessages to keep your messages privacy intact. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.